Have you ever tried sorting data on months? If no, then you're in for an amazing surprise. Let's see it in action. Here is the data on units sold for each month. Let's sort this data on ascending order of units sold. I'll click on unit sold value, go to the data menu and click on sort smallest to largest. And boom, we have the result. Now let's sort it back in ascending order of months. I'll click on the month, go to data menu and click on sort smallest to largest. And we get the data sorted in alphabetical order of months. April, August, December and so on. This is not what we wanted. We wanted the data to be in order of January, February, March and so on. To sort data as per calendar months, there is a different approach that we have to take. Let's take a look at that. We start by selecting the data. Click on sort in the data menu, sort by month. And in order, we click on custom list. Now you see here we have inbuilt lists for days and months. Here I will select one of the lists that I feel suits my need. Press OK and again, and the data is now sorted correctly. So this is how you sort the data on months using an inbuilt list. However, what do we do if you have to create a list to suit our need? Let's take a look at this example. Here are details of some custom orders. Each order goes through 4 stages: order placed, verification, implementation, and provision. Now we want to sort the orders as per these stages. If you look at these stages, we won't be able to sort them alphabetically. However, we can do so by creating our own list. Let's see how do we do that. We begin by selecting the data. Click on the sort button. We will select order status under column as we need to sort on the status. In the order, click on custom list. We can create a custom list by clicking on add. You can just type in the values. As you can see, I have separated the values using a comma. OK. And as we've created the new list, that list automatically gets selected. Press OK. And the data is sorted as per our sequence. Now this looks slightly different on a Mac. Let's quickly take a look at that as well. So here I am on the Mac machine and this is the same data. So if I want to sort on order status based on the order that we've created, the steps that we'll follow are similar to Windows. I will select the data, click on the sort button, and under column I will select order status, and in order I'll go to custom list. As I scroll through the custom list, I don't see the order in which I want to sort my data. And that's understandable because we've not yet created a custom list. But when I look at this dialog box, I don't even have the provision to create a custom list. So for now, I'm going to click cancel. Even here. Now to create a custom list in Mac, the steps are slightly different. What we need to do is go to the menu bar and click on this Excel. Here we have the option Preferences. As you would see, we can see something called custom lists in this dialog box. As I click here, I get the option to create a new custom list. Now the steps are exactly the same. I'm going to create a custom list. I'll just type the values. Once I type the values, I'll click on add, close this window, and then follow the steps for sorting. I've selected the data, click on sort button. In column, I'll select order status. In order, I'll click on custom list. And right at the end, I see the custom list that I've created. Select that, press OK, OK. And the data is sorted as per the order we've defined. So this is how you sort your database's custom lists, either inbuilt or custom created. If you found value, then please consider subscribing to our channel so that you can find more such content easily. Thanks for watching. Till next time.